Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to hide and unhide a folder. So without wasting much of your time, let's proceed. So the first thing you need to do is locate the folder in which you want to hide. And in this video I'll be hiding this folder. All you have to do is right click on it, click on properties, hidden, and apply. Do you want to apply this change to this folder only, or do you want to apply it to all subfolders and files as well? Yeah, apply changes to this folder only, apply changes to this folder, subfolders, and files. So I'll be going with the second options. I want to hide everything inside that folder, so I click on OK. Okay, so as you can see, it's kind of hidden, but someone else can see it. Like, let's just say the opacity of the folder has been reduced. So to completely hide it, all I have to do is click on view and uncheck this checkbox. So as you can see, it's gone. But if I want to see it again, I click on view and hidden items. That's it, and I can always open it whenever I want. So you can also use this method to see all the hidden folders in your laptop. Like, for example, this folder here is hidden. If I want to hide it, click on hide items. That's it, it's gone. You can use it to even see important documents, important folders on your laptop or desktop. So that's it, that's come back. So now let's unhide our folder. To do so, you right click, click on properties, uncheck this checkbox, apply, and click on make sure you click on apply changes to this folder, subfolders, and files. Okay, as you can see, the folder is no longer hidden and I can always access it whenever I want. So that's how you hide and unhide a folder. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share